Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here today from Fiamma, Canada, and today we're going to be talking about how to descale your Jura E8. For this process, you're going to need exactly 500 milliliters of water and 3 descaling tablets. Now the descaling tablets come in both a 3-pack and a 36-pack. In addition, small pro tip, I like to use 2 receptacles. Now you can use cups, whatever you'd like. And what you'll do with those is put them under both sets of spouts, this side and this side. It'll just be a lot cleaner that way and less messy. You won't have any splashing. The last tip for this cycle is make sure you remove your filter if you're using one. The reason for that is if the descaling agent goes through the filter, it'll ruin the integrity of the filter and it might alter the taste of your coffee afterwards. So it would render it useless. Always remove your filter before starting the cycle. To begin the cycle, you're going to select the gear on the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you select the gear, you're going to see in big bold red letters, time to descale. When you select that, you'll get a warning saying that this takes roughly 40 minutes. Click the start button. Your next step would be getting your 500 milliliters of water and putting 3 tablets directly into that. Now, before moving forward in the cycle, wait for those tablets to dissolve entirely. The reason it's important to use exactly 500 milliliters of water is the machine will continue to descale depending on how much water you put in. You want to be precise here. Make sure you measure it out. Now that you start the cycle, you click the next button and the machine will say to you, empty grounds. First thing you want to do, even if the tray is empty, remove it, wait your 30 seconds, empty if it need be, and replace it. At this point, I'm going to remind you to remove the filter if you have it in place. Now what you're going to do is take the water with your dissolved tablets, put that 500 milliliters into the water tank, and start the cycle. The machine will do its thing for the next 30 minutes. Essentially, we'll be taking the water from the tank with the descaling agent, running it through the thermal block, and cleaning any calcium and minerals found internally in the mechanisms of the machine. Now, at some point, your machine will ask you to empty tray. And this is because it's also dispensing water into the tray from the back side of the machine. Eventually, what will happen is the machine will ask you to fill the water tank. You're then going to take it, rinse it, make sure all the descaling agent is removed, put it back with fresh water. The machine will then rinse itself with the clean water, eventually asking you to empty the tray again. And when you put it back in, the cycle will be complete. Thank you for watching how to descale the Jura E8. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and check out our website, www.fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance needs.